All right, time now is 9:45. Let's get the latest on this forecast. It keeps changing with Vanessa Murdock. Yeah, Jenna looks a little better out there before. I
think she was standing under an umbrella this time.
Oh, okay.
Right. Well, it is still pouring out there for some, but obviously rain is in motion, so it's going to get heavy, and then thankfully in the city now it is starting to slack off. But it is in Manhattan it's starting to do that. Elsewhere in the city it is starting to pick up pace. For example, Queens, there's torrential rain falling over portions of Queens right now. Total rainfall this morning has been impressive. We've dealt with several flash flood warnings across the region. Want to give you an idea of just how much has fallen. In Yonkers, about 1/4 inch. Bloomingdale, New Jersey, over 1/2 inch. This Greenwood Lake reading, I'm not quite sure how long it's been tallied, but nonetheless, you see some really big numbers here. Over 1 inch in Narrowsburg, over 2 inches in Montville, New Jersey, and likely going to see more similar totals like this rack up, especially across Long Island, where we see some very heavy rain beginning to make its approach. Let's go ahead, take you live outside. Low clouds, heavy rain, 73 degrees. What can you expect? Heavy downpours this morning. You're going to want to watch out for roadway flooding if you have to be out and about. And then this afternoon, while we'll see some sun, there is still a lingering risk of some scattered showers and storms. But this afternoon will not be a washout. As for what's happening tomorrow, it is going to be hot and humid, but dry. We take rain out of the forecast tomorrow and Monday. Your beach forecast today, not looking so pretty for the morning, but I think this afternoon you'll be able to eke out some hours at the beach. We've got upper 70s, low to mid 80s out there. UV index this afternoon will be an 8. Your rip current risk is moderate. Your water temperature 72 to 78 with 3 to 4 foot waves. As for those flash flood warnings, they are out there in full force. Morris County until 10:15, Somerset until 1:30. We're looking at 10:45 for Essex County, and in Union County until 10:30. Very much a cluster here through north central Jersey, because that is where we saw some of the most torrential rain dampen the ground this morning. As we look at what's going on at this very moment in time, you can see a swath of rain bringing us all the way up into Massachusetts, heading all the way back down through central Jersey. What we see here is also some of the heaviest rain now making its way across Suffolk County, lifting up toward Islip. This will bring some pretty significant totals, I think, through the midsection of Suffolk County. And then, of course, closer to the city, we see some heavy action as well. So a quick zoom in here, show you where we see the heaviest rainfall through Babylon, making its way toward Oak Beach. Now you're getting dumped on. We see Wyandanch heading toward Brentwood, Islip as well. You'll be getting hit soon with this line lifting up in the northeasterly direction. As we make our way to the bigger picture, what you see here is that we are going to be done with the steady stuff. Not much longer now. Maybe by 11:30 noon, the heaviest stuff is out of here, but then we're still left today with high humidity and high heat, and that will help enhance some activity again this afternoon. Here's what it looks like hour by hour at 10 a.m. We're still dealing with this line moving through and then the secondary line developing across Long Island. Here we see by 2 o'clock, though, most of that action has dwindled and made its exit, and we're starting to see some sunshine to the west. So this is looking good, but then we see another possibility of some very isolated activity through the afternoon and evening hours, but generally your afternoon much drier than your morning. It will be hot and humid with just a chance for some storms. Overnight, skies clear. Your Sunday, bright, beautiful, but hot. Tomorrow, 90. Today is the Hambletonian day. It is the 94th running, 77 at 10 a.m. with rain. By 1 o'clock, maybe some showers and storms, 85 by 4 o'clock. As we make our way through the day, morning downpours give way to some sun and some scattered action this afternoon. Tonight, the Mets play 82 at 7:10, and I think the game should be pretty dry. Maybe a stray shower. Overnight, we're in the 60s and 70s. Skies clear. Tomorrow, 90s. Feels like mid-90s because of the high humidity. But thankfully, we get rid of the rain tomorrow. You'll get sunny skies at the beach. 92, still dry on Monday. Tuesday, 90, but we bring back a chance for showers and storms. Yes, we are expecting a heat wave to start the work week.
Well, we always complain, where's the hot weather? And here it is.
It is here, and it is awfully humid, too. Humidity doesn't drop off till week's end.
Thank you, Vanessa.